Hey everyone, and welcome back to the House of Resilience. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating and often misunderstood world of cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary financial technology that's reshaping how we think about money and digital ownership. It's a topic that's been buzzing for years, and for good reason. From its humble beginnings to its current global impact, cryptocurrency has captured widespread attention. Whether you're a complete newbie or you've dabbled a bit, this video will break down everything you need to know about crypto, from the basics to some more advanced concepts. Hit that like button if you're excited to learn more, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable content and reach a wider audience interested in financial innovation. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. Unlike traditional money, it exists purely in the digital realm. It uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions, ensuring their integrity and preventing counterfeiting. This advanced encryption also controls the creation of new units. Think of it like digital cash, but secured by advanced mathematical principles. One of the key differences between crypto and traditional currencies is its decentralized nature. This means it's not controlled by a central bank or government, but rather by a distributed network of participants. This removes intermediaries and single points of control. Instead, it relies on a distributed network of computers, called a blockchain, to maintain a public, immutable ledger of all transactions. Each block contains verified transactions added to the chain, creating a permanent record. Imagine a shared, tamper-proof digital notebook secured by many participants. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. You've probably heard of it, as it was the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin pioneered the concept of decentralized digital money. Bitcoin's popularity paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. It introduced the world to the revolutionary concept of a decentralized digital currency, inspiring a vast ecosystem of new projects and innovations. Ethereum is another colossal player in the crypto space, but it's far more than just a digital currency. While Bitcoin primarily functions as a store of value and a medium of exchange, Ethereum is a robust, programmable platform. It allows developers worldwide to build and deploy decentralized applications, or dApps, and execute complex agreements through what are known as smart contracts, fundamentally expanding the utility of blockchain technology beyond simple transactions. Think of smart contracts as self-executing agreements, meticulously written directly into code and stored on the blockchain. These contracts automatically execute predefined actions when specific conditions are met, without the need for any third-party intermediaries like lawyers or banks. For example, a smart contract could automatically release payment to a freelancer once their work is digitally verified as complete, ensuring efficiency and trust in the agreement. Now, why is everyone so excited about crypto? Well, there are several compelling potential benefits that address shortcomings in traditional financial systems. One major advantage is significantly faster and cheaper transactions, especially across international borders. Traditional banking, especially for international transfers, can involve frustrating delays and substantial fees. In contrast, many crypto transactions can be processed and settled in mere minutes for a fraction of the cost, making global commerce more efficient. Increased privacy is another significant benefit, as transactions are pseudonymous. They are linked to unique wallet addresses rather than directly to your personal identity. This offers a substantial layer of discretion and control over your financial data. Furthermore, cryptocurrency provides unprecedented access to financial services for the unbanked and underbanked populations worldwide, estimated at 1.7 billion people globally. All you need is a smartphone and internet access to participate, fostering true financial inclusion. What are your thoughts on these powerful benefits of cryptocurrency? Do any of them particularly resonate with you? Or perhaps you've experienced them firsthand? Let me know your insights and questions in the comments below. And if you're finding this video helpful and informative so far, please don't forget to hit that like button to support the channel. And this is a crucial, but like any investment, especially a nascent and rapidly evolving one, cryptocurrency comes with significant risks that must be carefully considered. The market can be incredibly volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate dramatically and unpredictably in a very short period, sometimes within hours or even minutes. This high volatility is a double-edged sword, offering potential for high returns but also significant losses. Therefore, it's absolutely crucial to do your thorough research and fully understand these inherent risks before investing any money you're not prepared to lose. For instance, it's not uncommon for a cryptocurrency coin to drop 20% or even more in a single day, or conversely, to surge just as quickly. This rapid price movement requires a strong understanding of market dynamics and a high tolerance for risk. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and get started with crypto, what's your first step? You'll need a crypto wallet. This isn't a physical wallet like the one in your pocket. It's a digital tool, either software or hardware, that allows you to securely store the private keys to your cryptocurrencies. It's where you can manage, send, and receive your digital assets, acting as your personal gateway to the blockchain. There are primarily two main types of wallets available, each with its own trade-offs between convenience and security. Hot wallets are online and connected to the internet, making them highly accessible for frequent transactions, but also potentially more vulnerable to online threats. In contrast, cold wallets are offline, often hardware devices, offering superior security by keeping your private keys completely disconnected from the internet. Think of them like a personal, highly secure vault for your most valuable digital assets. Next, once you have your wallet set up, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. These are online platforms that act as marketplaces, facilitating the buying, selling, and trading of various cryptocurrencies for fiat money, like US dollars or other digital assets. They essentially bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, providing the liquidity and tools necessary for trading. Again, thorough research is absolutely key here. When selecting an exchange, always look for reputable platforms with robust security measures, transparent fee structures, and excellent customer support. A prime example is Coinbase, a widely recognized and regulated exchange that offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools for more experienced users, and secure cold storage for a significant portion of its assets, providing an extra layer of protection for your investments. Now, I want to emphasize something crucial. Never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk, speculative investment, and there are absolutely no guarantees of profit. Market conditions can change rapidly. It's also incredibly important to be vigilant and wary of scams. Always do your own thorough due diligence, or DYOR, and be skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true. Verify information from multiple reliable sources. This video, while comprehensive, is truly just a starting point on your journey into the vast and dynamic world of cryptocurrency. There's a ton more to explore about blockchain technology and the evolving financial landscape. Continuous learning is key. I'll be creating many more in-depth videos on specific crypto topics, diving into areas like DeFi and NFTs. So, to ensure you don't miss out on any future insights, make sure you subscribe to the House of Resilient and hit that notification bell. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your current thoughts on cryptocurrency after watching this guide? Do you have any burning questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover next? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency. We truly appreciate your time and engagement. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore finance and technology. Until then, stay resilient.